Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is KooKoo Crochet. In today's video, I'll show you how to put decorations together on the 3 heel clip patterns we did for the last few weeks and make beautiful Christmas heel clips. This is what they will look like when it's finished. And before we start, we need the following material. The felt fabric in Christmas colors. I have the red and the green here. Crochet pieces. If you haven't made them, you can check out the last few tutorial videos. I've attached the video link in the right corner for you. The hot glue gun and the glue sticks, the heel clips to match with the fabric, and the flat bag pearls. And lastly, the Christmas themed decorations. I've got these mini flat bag ornaments. And once we got everything ready, we can move on to the next step. Firstly, take your felt fabric and measure out a piece that's slightly smaller than your crochet piece. If you haven't made the base piece, you can check out the video link in the right corner. And once you measure them out, we can go ahead to carefully cut all the pieces out. Because our crochet piece is a stadium shape, make sure you go around the corners and cut them rounded. And if you're making 2 crochet heel clips as a pair, make sure you match those 2 pieces of the fabric and make them the same. After you cut out all the pieces, we can place the heel clip in the center, and we need to measure out where the heel clip will be inserted into the fabric. Same with the other pieces, we'll mark it out, and then we'll fold the fabric in half and cut a small hole in the center. Then insert the heel clip in and then clip it in. Make sure you leave the side with the pen marks on the top. In this way it will be glued on and won't be saying. Next comes with the fun part where you'll see everything comes together. So we're going to use the hot glue gun to stick the crochet piece to the heel clip. So take your crochet piece and position it on top of the heel clip. Then apply a thin layer of the hot glue in the center first, and then press the fabric onto the piece. Ensure it's centered and secured, and then keep going. Apply the hot glue on one side of the heel clip, and then going to the other side, apply the glue and press it firmly. Make sure they are aligned properly and stick securely. And be careful when you're working with the hot glue gun to avoid burns on the fingers. You can hide the leftover yarn at the back when you are gluing the pieces together, or you can just simply cut them out if they're still sticking out. Same with the other one, apply the glue in the center and then press the crochet piece firmly to the heel clip. And this is what they look like when it's finished. Then we'll put some Christmas decorations on top. You can use the mini ornaments and pearls. I'm using the reindeer one, and I'll just apply a dab of hot glue and carefully place the ornament on top, and then choose a few pearls and glue them on. You can choose different sized pearls and lay them out differently. And there you go, the crochet heel clip with Christmas decoration is complete. And we'll do the same with the other heel clip to make it into a pair. And that's one style you can make, very nice. Now with the other crochet heel clip border, we can customize it with different decorations. And you'll find a crochet tutorial for this style with the video link in the right corner. So same thing, attach the heel clip to the fabric and then glue the crochet piece to the heel clip. After you glue the pieces onto the heel clip, we can then go ahead to choose a mini ornament. I usually use a color that's different from the base piece, so either a white one, a green one, or a yellow one in contrast with the red base piece. So we'll attach the hot glue and glue it onto the crochet piece, and then add some pearls on top for decoration. Same with the other one, add the pearls on, just the same with the first heel clip we made. And there you go. That's another style you can make. Then same with style 3 border. If you want to make this style of the border, you can check out the video link in the right corner. So we'll cut out the felt fabric. Attach the heel clip to the fabric. Then glue the crochet piece onto the heel clip. And after you finish gluing the crochet piece to the heel clip, we can go ahead to choose a mini ornament that's different from the base color. Apply the hot glue and glue it on, and then add some pearls on top for decoration. Same with the other one. And there are so many different options to make if you place different decorations or if you lay out different sized pearls. And there you go, that's another style you can make. I got 2 more of the crochet pieces, so I'll show you how you can make it differently even with the same style of the heel clip border by just simply choosing different decorations. So same thing, cut out the felt fabric, attach the heel clip to the fabric, and then glue the crochet pieces onto the heel clip, gluing the center first, and then glue one side, and then the other side. Same with the other one. And after you finish gluing the crochet piece to the heel clip, make sure you go back to the edges. Make sure they're glued on nicely. And this time, rather than using the white snowman, I'm using the red gift bag ornament. Attach the pearls differently. I'm using 3 different sizes and lay them out straight from one side to the other. And there you can see it's very different already from the last one we made, with a different decoration and with different sized pearls. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you're enjoying this video, make sure you give it a thumb up or subscribe to my channel for more DIY projects. This is KooKoo Crochet. I will see you soon in the next video. Thanks for watching.